Hi everybody, Axel Gumbel here with the Mayo Clinic News Center, and with me is Matt Dacey, Director of Mayo Clinic Heritage Days, and he's with us today because we have a new exhibit to show off at Mathew's Grand Lobby in the Mayo Building in Rochester. And Matt, what are we looking at here today?
Welcome, Axel. This is a 19th century, early 20th century sleigh, the classic one-horse open sleigh that you hear about in the song. It was owned by the family of Barb Mestad, a retired Mayo employee. Barb had this in her family for many years. She and her husband Roger had it restored to really original condition, and then with the generosity of Mr. and Mrs. Mathew's benefactors, we were able to acquire this for display here. And it's kind of it's a seasonal tribute of the Midwestern climate and the season. It's decorated out for use in the holidays, and we've stylized this in a way you're seeing packages addressed from the Mayo family to their grandchildren, and to give you that spirit.
So Matt, tell us, there's a bit of a personal story related to Dr. W.W. Mayo, because he used such a sleigh to make patient visits.
This was actually a functional vehicle for someone like Dr. William Worrell Mayo, the father of the Mayo brothers. He would go on house calls. There was no hospital at that time, so he would see patients in their homes, perform surgery in the farmhouse kitchen sometimes. There's a story that's come down to us. Dr. Mayo liked to go fast. He liked speed. There were no speed limits posted in the city at that time, and so he could go at his discretion. The story is he was wheeling down fast Broadway and 4th at the corner there. The sleigh tipped over, dumping him in the snow. The horses ran off down the street, down Broadway. He chased the horses for a good block, and some friends grabbed the horses, got it back together, and he went on his rounds. And so he was not deterred by that accident.
Just a minor delay,
A minor delay in serving patients. And then he actually invented an early form of the seatbelt, a way to hold himself in place. He did not change his driving speed habits by that accident. He just found a way to compensate a little better. So it is part of our medical lore, his urgency to see patients.
That is great, Matt. Remind us, how long can folks see this exhibit here in the lobby? And if they can't make it, I understand there's another way to view the sleigh in another form.
This is on exhibit here until January 2nd, and then we are planning to use this in the upcoming Heritage film this year, The Life of Edith Graham Mayo, and I think we're going to have a scene with Edith and young Charlie going dating in a vehicle like this.
That is wonderful. Well, thank you, Matt, for sharing this information and for bringing the exhibit to Mayo Clinic, and hope you're having a good holiday season.
Axel, thank you. Good to see you.